In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your VPN location on Hotspot Shield VPN. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Hotspot Shield VPN app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, now you should see your current location when you click on this homepage, or if you're not yet connected to it, go ahead and click on connect to launch it. At this point, now go ahead and click on this auto. You can see currently I'm connected to a VPN location, to virtual VPN location in USA. I wish to change this, so I'll just click on this, and here you can see we have quite a number of locations that I can switch to. Currently, I have up to 127 locations that I can switch to. To connect to any of this, go ahead and choose your preferred location and then hover over it and choose connect. Now, by doing this, your Hotspot Shield VPN will automatically connect to the new location that you have selected. So that's how you can change location or switch locations or your IP address on Hotspot Shield VPN app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.